I'm at one of my favorite restaurants in downtown Mobile, Hinton's Bistro. Never had their burger before, but I'm getting ready to try the Bistro burger. And guys, this thing has got cheddar stuffed pork rib, brisket, chuck burger, topped with bacon, onion jam, dip lettuce, and Dijon aioli. Oh my God. Look at this big daddy. I'm gonna do my juice test. There it is. Oh wow. That meat's smoky. Fix that real quick. Sure. It's got such a good smoke flavor in it. It's slippery. Oh, my butt's falling out. It's like a gourmet burger. It's special. I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna eat it from behind. Go all in. All of those meats are blended into one patty with the brisket and the brisket, the pork, and the beef. Fancy burger, you gotta eat with a fancy fork and knife.